Welcome to our Hudson, making chicken fried rice. First we're going to scramble eggs. First we're going to dice our onion and mushroom. If you have a food processor, makes it real easy. We're going to do the same thing broccoli. Put in sesame oil and garlic. Now we're going to put in the chicken. Using the same pan, sauté your veggies. Pour in the brown rice. Lastly, put in the chicken fillet. Cover off with soy sauce. That's some good fried rice. Enjoy!